Jamaican superstition and the five senses. Left eye. For some people, the twitching of the left eye may indicate that they will cry or something bad is about to happen. For others, the left eye is a good eye. Pay close attention to what happens in your life after it twitches. Your experience holds the answer. Right eye. A twitch in the right eye often signals laughter or joy in the near future. Yet for a few, it brings sadness. Observe carefully to uncover what it means for you.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Nose. If you catch a sharp, strange smell, beware a duppy may be near. Ghosts carry distinct odors, and the air grows heavy with their presence. If you recognize the scent, share your knowledge in the comments below. It could help others. Ringing ears. When your ears ring, your name is being whispered in the spiritual realm. In that moment, condemn any words spoken against you in the name of Jesus. Protect yourself from unseen harm. Mouth. A twitching mouth warns of arguments to come. Brace yourself. Conflict may be near. Left hand itching. If the middle of your left hand itches, it could mean you'll spend money soon or perhaps receive it. Take note of which it turns out to be. Right hand itching. An itchy right hand can foretell money coming your way or slipping through your fingers. Keep track of how this plays out in your life. Bonus. Foot bottom itches. It means that you will walk on grave dirt. For some, it can also mean that they will see someone that they haven't seen in a long time. Make a mental note.